In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track marketing requests in Asana. We'll set up a simple, reliable system so your team can capture requests, assign owners, and hit deadlines without the back and forth. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading into your workspace. Create a new project by selecting New Project and choosing Blank Project. Give it a clear name like Marketing Requests so everyone knows exactly where to submit and track work. Choose either List or Board View. List is great for teams that prefer a spreadsheet-style layout, while Board offers a visual Kanban flow. Pick the one your team will actually use consistently. Next, set up your workflow with sections. Add new requests, in progress, waiting for approval, and completed. These stages mirror how a marketing deliverable moves from intake to done. Keep the names short and obvious so teammates always know where a task belongs. Now start adding tasks under the appropriate sections. Each task should represent one marketing request, such as a social media post, a newsletter, or an ad campaign. Write a concise task title and use the description to capture the brief, goals, audience, and key messages. Clear inputs now prevent rework later. Open a task to configure the details. Assign it to the responsible team member so ownership is unambiguous. Set a due date to establish the deadline. And if you know the production schedule, add subtasks to break work into steps like draft, review, and publish. Subtasks can have their own assignees and due dates, which helps keep the pipeline moving smoothly. Use custom fields to add structure and reporting power. Create fields for priority with options like high, medium, and low, status with not started, in progress, and completed, and request type with social media, email, design, or copy. These fields make it easy to filter work, triage quickly, and spot bottlenecks. Attach any files or links the team will need, such as briefs, brand assets, or reference examples. Keep the most current versions attached and summarize changes in the task description or comments so context stays in one place. As work moves forward, drag tasks between sections to reflect progress from submission to completion. This visual movement keeps everyone aligned at a glance. For a broader view, switch to Dashboard to see charts and trends, Calendar to visualize deadlines across the month, or Timeline to map dependencies and spot conflicts before they happen. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.